Hi everyone, in today's video, let us learn how to demonstrate firefighting. Objectives. At the end of this video, you can be able to demonstrate the ability of firefighting as the leader of the group, as a member of the firefighting team. General procedure to be adopted in the event of a fire. Extinguish the fire.
Let us collect the equipment required to do this exercise. Number 1. Fire extinguishers, different types, 1 number each. Procedure. Task 1. General procedure to be adopted in the event of fire. Step 1. Raise an alarm. Follow the method written below for giving an alarm signal when fire breaks out. Number 1. By raising your voice and shouting, "Fire, fire," to call the attention of others. Number 2. Running towards fire alarm or bell to actuate it. Step 2. On receipt of the alarm signal. Number 1. Stop working. Number 2. Turn off all machinery and power. Number 3. Switch off fans or air circulators or exhaust fans. Better switch off the main. Step 3. If you are not involved in fighting the fire. Number 1. Leave calmly using the emergency exit. Number 2. Evacuate the premises. Number 3. Assemble at a safe place along with the others. Number 4. Check if someone has gone to inform about the fire break to the concerned authority. Number 5. Close the doors and windows but do not lock or bolt. Step 4. If you are involved in firefighting. Number 1. Take instructions or give instructions for an organized way of fighting the fire. If taking instructions. Number 1. Follow the instructions and obey. If you can do so safely, do not risk getting trapped. If giving instructions. Number 1. Assess the class of fire. Number 2. Send for sufficient assistance and inform the fire brigade. Number 3. Locate locally available suitable means to put out the fire. Number 4. Judge the magnitude of the fire. Ensure assembly exit paths are clear of obstructions and then attempt to evacuate. Remove explosive materials, substances that can serve as a ready fuel for fire within the vicinity of the fire break. Number 5. Fight out the fire with assistance to put it out by naming the person responsible for each activity. Number 6. Report the fire accident and the measures taken to put out the fire to the authorities concerned. Reporting all fires, however small, helps in the investigation of the cause of the fire. It helps to prevent the same kind of accident occurring again. A fire extinguisher is a portable device designed to extinguish or control small fires. Its primary purpose is to suppress fires in their early stages, preventing them from spreading and causing more extensive damage. Fire extinguishers are essential safety tools in homes, workplaces, vehicles, and public spaces. The extinguishing agent is the substance inside the fire extinguisher that puts out the fire. Different agents are used for different types of fires. Common agents include water, dry chemical powders, carbon dioxide, CO2, and foam. Task 2. Extinguish the fire. Step 1. Alert people surrounding by. Shout, "Fire, fire, fire," when observe fire. Step 2. Inform fire service or arrange to inform immediately. Open emergency exit and ask them to go away. Step 3. Put off electrical power supply. Do not allow people to go nearer to the fire. Step 4. Analyze and identify the type of fire. Number 1. Class A. Wood, paper, cloth, solid material. Number 2. Class B. oil-based fire, grease, gasoline oil, liquefiable solids. Number 3. Class C, gas and liquefied gases. Number 4. Class D, metals and electrical equipment task. Step 5. Assume the fire is B-type. Step 6. Select CO2, carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. Step 7. Locate and pick up CO2 fire extinguisher. Check for its expiry date. Step 8. Break the seal. Step 9. Pull the safety pin from the handle. Pin located at the top of the extinguisher. Step 10. Aim the extinguisher nozzle or hose at the base of the fire. This will remove the source of fuel fire. Keep yourself low. Recap. In this video, we have discussed how to demonstrate the ability of firefighting as the leader of the group, as a member of the firefighting team. General procedure to be adopted in the event of a fire. Extinguish the fire.